See, I had this telephone for about a year. It worked okay. But then I went down to Miami. I went down to the beach. And then the ringer switch got all jammed up. Sand was stuck in the little groove. I used it that way for months. Except while sleeping, I left it on vibrate.
Chimpy Junior, I've been trying
But
to
sometimes
call you
I did
for 3
miss
days.
important calls.
Are you some kind of wild animal? You don't call your mother, you can't call your mother in 3 freaking...
So one day I decided to take a closer look. I just removed the sand with a needle. Easy as pie. And it only took like 1 second.
Hey, Mike, guess what? I fixed my phone. You can call me whenever you want.
When I first got my phone, it was only a phone. But I saw so many people with cracked screens. They looked sad. So I went down to Chinatown to buy a phone case. Then I noticed this tiny loop in the corner of the case. I hooked on my keyring. Man, I'm telling you, this was like some eureka moment. Now I used it like that for months. In the morning, I only needed to take 2 things. My phone with the keys attached and my wallet. And one day I looked on the computer. And guess what I ordered from China? A classy knockoff Gucci case with a wallet built in. Maroon. But my old man didn't approve. He said if I lost it, I'd lose everything. Well, I haven't lost it yet. Hey, Ma, guess what?